Ronaldo's second time at Old Trafford ended badly. His contract was cancelled in November 2022 after a shocking interview with Piers Morgan, where he criticised Ten Hag and the club's leadership. The decision to let go of one of soccer's greatest players got mixed reactions, but Ten Hag stuck to his plan. Former assistant coach Steve McClaren thinks Cristiano Ronaldo didn't meet Erik Ten Hag's standards, which led to Ronaldo leaving Man Utd early. Ten Hag and Ronaldo only worked together at Man Utd for about the first 3 months of the 2022 to 2023 season, but it caused a lot of drama. It all started when the Portuguese forward skipped pre-season training because he wanted to move to a club playing in the Champions League, but that didn't work out. Ten Hag then benched Ronaldo. When Ronaldo left a game against Tottenham early, Ten Hag disciplined him again. The biggest fight was when Ronaldo publicly criticised Ten Hag and Man Utd in a long 90-minute interview on Piers Morgan Uncensored. A little over a week later, Old Trafford ended Ronaldo's contract 6 months early. Now Ronaldo plays for Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. "I can't fault Ten Hag's approach," McClaren told The Telegraph on September 25th. "He handled it very well. I said at the time that Ten Hag was the right coach for Man Utd. The way he dealt with Ronaldo proves that." McClaren was an assistant coach under legendary manager Alex Ferguson from 1999 to 2001. The Red Devils' biggest achievement during that time was winning the treble in the 1998 to 1999 season. In 2001, McClaren started his own career as a head coach. The 61-year-old has coached Boro, Twente, Wolfsburg, Nottingham Forest, Derby County, Newcastle, QPR and the English national team. When McClaren worked at Twente, 2008 to 2010, Ten Hag was his assistant. In the 2022 to 2023 season, McClaren returned to Man Utd as Ten Hag's assistant. In July 2024, he was appointed head coach of the Jamaican national team. According to McClaren, Ten Hag came to Old Trafford with specific standards, rules and a style of play, and he was very strict. He didn't make exceptions for any player. "If you don't run, you don't play. There's no way players could get around that," he said. McClaren emphasised that Ten Hag made the right decision by applying these rules to Ronaldo. Other coaches tried to adapt, but Ten Hag didn't feel the need to do that, he said. Ralf Rangnick and Ole Gunnar Solskjaer tried, and it didn't work, so Ten Hag stuck to his guns and developed other players. McClaren also praised Ten Hag for disciplining Marcus Rashford by benching him for a Premier League game against Wolves in December 2022, even though he was only a minute late to a team meeting. "Things like that are important. Discipline, behaviour, standards are important," McClaren said. "Everyone knows that about Man Utd. That's what Ten Hag brought. Some players didn't like it, and that's normal, but Ten Hag never changed. That's his strength." Since leaving Manchester United, Ronaldo has continued his amazing career and is now playing for Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. The Portuguese superstar is showing no signs of slowing down and has had a great start to the 2024-25 season, scoring 5 goals in his first 6 games for the team. Meanwhile, Manchester United will try to get back to winning when they play Twente in the Europa League after tying with Crystal Palace at Selhurst Park. Even though Ten Hag has been strict, Man Utd's results haven't improved much, especially their standing in the Premier League. Last season they finished 8th, their lowest ever in the league. This season they are 11th with 2 wins, 2 losses and a tie after 5 games. Was Ten Hag right to stand his ground? Comment below!